Watch me turn myself into a Barbie. First, I need to change this hair. Okay, wig's on, blue contacts are in. Now let's do the makeup. This wig is pulling my face back so much. I feel like I've had a facelift. Foundation first. If I'm gonna be a Barbie, I need my skin to look flawless. I didn't expect it to be that runny. This side, 2, 3. I'm just gonna start blending this out. Oh, this is a good color match. Blend, 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 blend. A little bit on the forehead and blend. Contour next. I'm just contouring the same places I usually do. And I'm going in with a lighter contour first. Now I'm gonna go over that with a darker contour. Concealer. I'm going to attempt to do little heart shape. I'm going to go for about 3, 2, 3. Okay, I feel like that's enough hearts. Blend in nicely. Get that chinny chin chin. Last we got the forehead. Oh, the wig's lifting. My hair's showing through. Blend out the nose. I'm quickly going to go in and add a lighter concealer because I feel like the one that I put on isn't light enough. Now I'm going in with some translucent setting powder. So I'm just doing all the areas that I put concealer. So I'm going to use a big fluffy brush. Blush time. I'm going to go in with a softer pink blush first. Oh, look at that. Nice and rosy. Then I'm going to tap into a tiny bit of a darker pink blush. I went ahead and added some highlight to my nose, my cupid's bow, a little bit on my chin and my cheekbones. Time to let the hair down. If I can get this clip out. She's a bit tangled. Get it? Because Rapunzel has blonde hair too. Oh my gosh, I wish my own hair was this long. Oh. So my base is pretty much done. We're going to move on to the eyes. So I'm just lining my waterline and underneath my lower lash line with a white eye pencil. I'm adding some white eyeshadow on that inner corner. I don't really know what look I'm going for here. I'm just kind of making it up as I go along. Light pink eyeshadow in the crease. Adding a burgundy shade in my crease and flicking it out. Doing some wing liner. Oh, I'm going to add some glitter eyeshadow. Hopefully it doesn't mess it up. Right here. Oh, hang on, let's not panic. Oh no. Okay, not bad. Nice and sparkly. Okay, I like that. Time for lashes, and I don't know whether to go for these ones or these ones. Oh yes, these are definitely Barbie. So I'm going with these ones. I need to do the brows, so I'm going to lighten them with some brow gel. I'm just changing my contact lenses to put in these more blue cartoon looking ones. So I'm using a mix of white and light pink eyeshadow on the areas of my face that the light would hit to make me look more doll-like. Lining my lips, going in with pink lipstick. Does it need to be more pink than this? Let me try this one. Yeah, okay. I'm using a dark burgundy eyeshadow just to go in the corners. Okay, now for the fake smile. Adding more shading with some black eyeshadow. A few more white details. Okay, I need to do some finishing touches and add the accessories. So who's ready to see the end result? Okay guys, this is the end result. How much do I look like a Barbie? I actually feel like a life-size Barbie doll. Be honest with me guys, is this one a cute or a fail? If you love this look as much as I do, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Thanks for watching. TikTok filters pick my makeup. Barbie edition. Let's do it. Eyebrows, please be something pink. That was not planned. Is that pink or purple? It's like a pinky purple. I'm not good with color names, so I'm sure there's a name for it. I'm trying to get as close to that shade as I can, so I'm using these two. Just brushing it through my brows. They look crazy right now, but I'm gonna clean them up. Cleaning up the brows with a white eyeshadow base. Everything's all blended out. The brows are done. They actually don't look too bad. Eyeshadow. Go on. Okay. Before I do the eyeshadow, I'm just going to quickly do my base. A bit of a lighter shade right on the inner corner. And down the nose. And in the center. I added some contour, now I'm just blending everything all out. Base is all done, now let's start the eyeshadow. So I'm putting that white base all over my lid and on my lower lash line. Going in with white eyeshadow on the inner corner first. Going in with pink eyeshadow on the outer corner and doing like a little wing shape. I've added that pink along my lower lash line as well. And then just softly blended it up into my crease. Eyeliner. What is that? A white wing? Okay. So I'm drawing on a half wing. I'm not going to go all the way across my eye. Fill it in. Then just setting it in place with white eyeshadow. Blush. Okay. I don't have a red blush, so I'm going to use eyeshadow. I'm just going to try and follow the shape of the filter. Okay, here's how it looks without the filter. I feel like I've done a good job. Adding the red freckle details. Hopefully I didn't do too many. Lipstick. What is that? Like an ombre pink and white. Just lining my lips. Adding some pink lipstick. And then I'm just going to tap some of that white in the center. Oh, right here. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay guys, I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup and add some finishing touches. So who's ready to see the end result? Here's the end result, guys. I wasn't sure how it would turn out with the pink brows, but I like it. Love the finishing touches, bringing the Barbie to life. But be honest, what do you guys think? Is this a cute or a fail? Comment a pink heart emoji if you want a part 2. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Thanks for watching. Barbie as a Tim Burton character? Let's do it. First, I'm going in with a foundation that's way lighter than my skin tone because I want more of a pale, washed out look. I have done Tim Burton makeup before, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the comments for you to go and check out after you've watched this. So for the eyebrows, you want to create like a sad expression, kind of like this. You can see on this eyebrow, I've made it curve upwards. So right at the front of my natural brow, I'm going to do a line going up. And I am going to go back in and clean it up with concealer after I'm done. Draw a line straight across and then bring it down, flicks at the front to make it look a bit more realistic. Once I'm happy with the shape I created with the pencil, I'm gonna go over it with a brow pen just to darken it up a bit more. Cleaning up the brow shape with some white concealer. Just setting my whole face with some translucent powder. Now I'm just using some grey and brown eyeshadow to contour my nose. Then I'm going to start giving myself some really dark eye bags. I mean, I already have eye bags, but I need to make them darker. And that nose contour can go right up into your brow. And you can bring it into your crease as well. Now I'm contouring the forehead. I'm going a bit darker right here on the edges. The cheekbones. I'm almost going for that dried up raisin look, like drawing on some triangle nose holes, adding a white eye pencil to my waterline. Now I'm adding on some pink eyeshadow, and I've already placed a bit of white eyeshadow right in the inner corner here. I'm bringing this pink right over my crease and round under my lower lashes. Now I'm taking a purple shade and kind of creating this cut crease shape, and on that outer corner I added a wing liner. Now I'm just doing some bottom lashes with a black liquid liner. Now I'm going to stick these crazy lashes on. Okay, the lashes are on. I feel like I could literally fly away right now if I just like flap my eyes really quickly. It's like a bird wing. Look at that. Okay, for the lips, I'm going to do a line coming out here. Now I'm just overlining my Cupid's bow. Then I'm going to join it up from the corner right here. For my lips, I went in with purple along the edges and then pink in the center. As soon as that dried, I went in with a bit of black and purple eyeshadow in the inner corners and along the edges to create some shading. And then a light pink eyeshadow on these areas right here for highlight. Time to put some blue lenses in. I did it! Oh my gosh, I didn't expect to get that straight away. Adding some highlight to my nose. And I'm gonna do the eye bags right here. I'm gonna add a little bit of this glitter eyeshadow. Quickly blend it before it dries. Okay guys, it's time for the finishing touches, so who's ready to see the end result? Here's the end result. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. There's like part of me that likes it and part of me that doesn't. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do I look like a Tim Burton Barbie character? I feel like I should have done the contouring a little bit darker, but be honest, what do you guys think? How did I do? Is this a cute or a fail? If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, and if you're already part of the family, hit the like button and drop a pink heart emoji in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Let's do the latte makeup trend that I've been seeing everywhere. I'm going to start off by brushing my brow hairs up with some clear brow gel. You want a lightweight base, so I'm going to go in with a skin tint. I don't want my foundation to look too heavy or full coverage. I'm going for more of like a natural skin finish. Going in with some concealer under the eyes, a little bit on the chin and the forehead. And I'm just blending that into the foundation. And you don't have to use a super light concealer either. You can do one that's just a little bit lighter than your skin tone. Time for some contour or bronzer, which is really important for this look. So I'm going to do my cheekbones. I'm going to go right here to sculpt my face more. Latte makeup's supposed to be really bronzy with like a brown smoky eye. So you don't want to add no blush, no colour. You just want to use those warm brown tones. Nose and the forehead. Here's how the placement of my contour looks. You can do whatever works for you or change it depending on your face shape. Now I'm just going to start blending it all out. And make sure you blend it really well because you don't want any harsh lines. Blend out the nose. Time for eyes. I'm going for a brown smoky eye. You can use brown eyeshadow or brown eyeliner, but I'm just going to use the same cream contour stick that I used on my face. And I'm just going to put that all over my eyelids. And then going with a fluffy brush to soften up the edges. Blending upwards towards my crease. And it doesn't have to be perfect and neat, you just want to make sure everything's nicely blended. Which is why I love using cream products because they're so much easier to blend. So I'm going to take some of that contour and go along my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with this chocolate brown eyeshadow just to set that in place. Tapping it all over my lid, upwards into my crease and along my lower lash line. And I'm going to go in with a lighter, warmer brown shade and blend that in my crease to soften up those edges. Now I'm going in with a really dark brown and I'm going to add that along my lash line on the top and on the bottom. Then smoke that line out so it isn't harsh. This part is optional, but you want to take a gold highlighter and just add it to your inner corner. Then just adding some to the nose and the Cupid's bow. You can add a little bit to the center of your lid, but I'm going to leave mine how it is. Going in with some pressed powder to set under my eyes. I'm just filling in my eyebrows with a brow pencil. Adding some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. I'm adding in some freckles with a brown liquid lipstick, just to give a bit more of a natural feel to the look. I'm going to go in with some bronzer. I'm going to put that where I would usually put my blush. I've decided I'm going to go in with some lashes. You can just leave it at mascara. Last of his lips. I am using an eyebrow pencil because I can't find my lip liner. I'm just lining them how I normally would. I'm going to use my finger to soften out that line. And I'm just going to go on top with a gloss. Okay, and that's it. Here it is, guys. Latte makeup. Comment and let me know what you think. Would you try it? I've never actually drank a latte in my life. I'm more of a hot chocolate kind of girl. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.